In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add commodities on MetaTrader 5. If you're diving into the world of trading, MetaTrader 5 is a powerful platform that can offer a plethora of opportunities, and having commodities at your fingertips can open up even more avenues for diversification in your trading strategy. So, let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you understand each action and its purpose along the way. To begin, ensure that your MetaTrader 5 platform is up and running smoothly. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Market Watch window. This area is key when it comes to tracking a variety of financial instruments. You might have a spot in the platform, usually to the left part of your screen, that displays a list of assets. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, it can be accessed by simply selecting it from the View menu at the top navigation. Now go ahead and right-click anywhere within this Market Watch area. This action opens a context menu that provides a variety of options related to your market instruments. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Symbols. Click on it. This is where things start to come together. The Symbols window is your gateway to a wide array of trading instruments. It's like your backstage pass to all the potential markets you want to explore and trade in. In clicking Symbols, a new window will pop up, displaying a comprehensive list of the available categories and instruments. Here, you'll find categories such as forex, bonds, indices, and of course what we're focusing on today, CFDs or contracts for difference. You'll want to click on CFD to explore more. CFDs offer the ability to trade on the price movements of a variety of financial markets without owning the underlying asset. Within the CFD category, one particular subset holds our interest: commodities. By selecting commodities from the list, you'll unlock a variety of options like gold, silver, oil, and other valuable market resources. At this stage, commodities gives you a list of all available trading instruments in that category. Go through this list to find the specific commodities you are interested in. By double-clicking on any of these items or selecting them and clicking on Show, you'll effectively add these commodities to your Market Watch list, making them ready for trading. Remember, selecting the right commodities to watch is essential for a successful trading strategy. Consider the market conditions and the factors affecting commodity prices. With these commodities now readily accessible, you'll be able to keep an eye on their performance right from your Market Watch window and make informed trading decisions. And there you have it, a straightforward method to add commodities to MetaTrader 5, opening up your trading platform to include new markets. By taking these few simple steps, you expand your trading toolbox, giving yourself the potential to capitalize on new opportunities. Thank you for watching and happy trading.